Hi, we're Abby and Jeremy with Scout Peak Home Buyers, a local family team right here in Mesquite, Nevada.
If you're thinking about selling, you might be worried about repairs, cleaning, showings, or wondering if a cash offer will be fair. Totally understandable.
Here's our promise: we buy homes as is for cash on your timeline. No realtor commissions, and we typically cover standard closing costs.
The process is simple, 3 easy steps. Step 1, schedule a quick walkthrough with us. It's just the two of us, no big crew and no pressure. Step 2, we make a transparent offer and show you the simple math. After repair value, minus real renovation and selling costs. Step 3, you pick the closing date, as fast as 7 to 14 days, or slower if you need time.
And don't stress about cleaning or repairs. Take what you want, leave what you don't. We'll handle everything after closing.
We live and work close to Mesquite, and we care about the people and neighborhoods here. When you sell to local buyers, you get clear communication and real follow-through.
We've helped homeowners facing all kinds of situations: inheritance, downsizing, landlord headaches, and homes that just need a lot of love. If selling as is makes sense, we'll make it easy.
If you'd like a fair, no-pressure cash offer, fill out the short form on this page. We'll reach out, answer your questions, and set up a quick walkthrough.
We'll give you honest guidance, even if selling to us isn't the right fit.
We're Scout Peak, local, helpful, and fair.